Hello my Billonian family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on DIY eyebrow that I just quickly do on my face. So I start by using spoolie, but for this eyebrow I'm using black gel eyeliner. So I'm using black gel eyeliner. So I'm using my small angle brush mouth to apply it. That's what I'm using now, but I'm using black, but I'm not making it to be too dark. So if you are using this, you have to use it very light. It should not be too dark when applying it. It should not be too dark. So that is what I'm still doing now. I'm still applying it. That's what I'm still doing now. I'm filling the eyebrow. So the reason why I'm doing this, you guys will know I'm dark in complexion. So, and if I try to use brown gel highlight did not used to come out in my skin very well. So that is why I just go with black, but I will now make it light. I will not make it to be too dark. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. So try this method, you will see. But you can use brown also, but to me I don't really like using the brown because it didn't really come out in my skin very well. So that is why. So I'm still filling it. I'm still filling the brow. So when doing your brow, you just have to take your time. Take your time. So I'm still filling it. Eyebrow are not twins, so they are sisters. So sometimes if you do your eyebrow, it will be perfect. Why sometimes you will do it like this, you'll be like wondering that is it you that do this eyebrow, but you will just try and make it not to be too obvious that there is much difference in the eyebrow. So that is what you will do. So now I'm using Veebeauty. This is what I'll use to lighten the brow. It's brown color, so I will just use it to brush the brow so that the brow will stay in place. So if I have do it like this, the brow will take me a whole day. So that is what I do use. This is just my very simple way to apply to do my eyebrow when going out quickly. I'm just sorry, it's Clara and Joseph that you are just hearing what they are doing at the background. I'm sorry about that. So this is it. This is the eyebrow. So the next thing now, I'll be using to concealer my LA Pride concealer. I know some of you will know me that I love that concealer very well, so that is why I didn't even bother to show you. So that is the concealer that I'm using now to define the eyebrow. So that is what I'm doing now. So that is it, guys. If you have any question, you can just let me know, and let me know at the comment section below. So that is it. Now I'm just using my fluffy mouth brush to blend the concealer. That is what I'm doing now. So that is it, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. I really love that. So that is it. All right.